mission, creating phenomenal future government of Somalia, is today have a goal and a comprehensive vision, with going on one side. Hassan Sheikh, the 80th president of Somalia, is going to build the systematical federal state regions to serve members of the federal government of Somalia. This resulted in selection from each location leaders and the most intelligent tribes in their communities, but the development campaign is still ongoing of the human capital environment, which is a duty of the member states of the federal government. Growth of the country. As well since the collapse, the diaspora has fled the country during the conflict, but has lived in the country in times of peace. The construction of the purity of the capital has taken place, and new features are paving the way for life. The development of the country continued with the construction of banks, universities, and other sectors of the social services. At the end of Hassan Sheikh's presidential session, Mohamed Abdullahi Farmaajo took over the leading of the government and became the 90th president to rule Somalia. Peace and other developments are emerging. With the rebuilding of the National Theatre, the renovation of the government offices, the reconstruction of the Africa's largest stadium, Mogadishu Stadium, and other sources of peace and development. حمر بوغاد التالي مرضى يحسو نطن بحساب العيسيو وأوحك صوهانا أدونكي بلايانا كحسوس تبقك بريدي إلهي وطنوك بحي بركي الله حمار country has increased in creativity and technology businesses, which is now showing that Somalia is the world will keep pace with the development of communications and the internet. The scope of the internet use has increased. Hormuud is the largest telecommunication company in Somalia, the only company that facilitates the internet and telecommunication. It is the first company in the region which has created new technological innovations. As the country's technology struggle continues, Somalia has become the country with the highest number of internet users in Africa. Increasingly, entrepreneurship created by expatriates and the educated youth in Somalia. Now the next generation will not have to worry about this life on the path to development and the progress.
Bixisada dhacaysiyo ma waxa ka soo hara adonkii barayada ku xasuusta boqorkee baryadii ilaahay watano ku baxaye barake Allah bixisada dhacaysiyo ma waxa ka soo hara adonkii barayada ku xasuusta boqorkee baryadii ilaahay watano ku baxaye barake Allah.
I, Abdulkadir Mohammed, have prepared this informatic report. This informatic report is talking about the development and the phenomenal future of Somalia. To increase these articles, stay tuned for the progress of your country by subscribing to our channel and sharing this information with your friends. Thank you for awareness of your country's progresses.